Hi guys. Andito po kami ngayon sa sa Supot. Tri-City nung ng Gdansk. So it's like 30 minutes from Gdansk and by car. So itong area na to dito, yung dagat na ito is Baltic Sea. Ito yung semi-enclosed arm of the Atlantic Ocean in Northern Europe. Famous po din ito for being the largest body of the brackish water of Earth. Ang ganda po. Napakalinis at napaka-organized ng nila. Itong beach na to, part na to. Famous to dito. Napakaraming turista. So, yun lang po guys. Thank you.